Welcome to the next video in our series on how to build a professional e-commerce site with WordPress, WooCommerce, and the WooStore theme. My name is Adam with UploadWP.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create custom sidebars, different sidebars depending on what section of the website that you're on. This is our demo site, World Cup Tees. Okay, so we're going to start by logging into our WordPress admin, and once logged in, go to WooStore Sidebar Manager. And this is where we're going to create custom sidebars for specific pages on our site. And before we jump into the details on how to do this, I'm going to go into the widget section just to show you what we currently have set up. Right now we have one primary sidebar widget section set up, which is this right sidebar widget section that you see throughout the site. Okay, this is the primary widget section, and this shows up on every page of the website right now because that's all we have set up. So whether I'm on the cart or in the shopping cart, or I'm on the category pages, or I'm on the About Us page, the same right hand sidebar is going to show up right now. So I don't want that. Let's say I want a different sidebar to show up for my blog page. Okay, so when we go to the blog, you'll see right now currently it's the exact same sidebar that shows up. Let's say I want something different to show up for the blog because I have specific ads I want to show, or I have an opt-in offer or something, whatever. You just want different widgets to show up on your blog page. Well, we're going to do that via the Sidebar Manager. So let's go ahead and run through an example of that. If I go to Pages and then I click on Blog, so after we click on Blog, this Create a New Sidebar section is going to pop up, and you'll see sidebar name we'll just leave as blog page. Sidebar to replace is going to replace the primary widget sidebar section, which you'll see right here. If we go to the widgets page, here's the primary widget section. We want to replace that for the blog page so that we can display an entirely different set of widgets. And then so we're just going to go ahead and click on Add Sidebar. And you'll see that our blog sidebar, custom sidebar has been created. So if I go into the widget section now and I refresh the page, we should see it pop up over here. And there it is, our blog page widget section. So now we have this entirely new widget section that we can put any of these widgets that we want to in here, so that our blog page has a completely different right hand sidebar than all other pages of our site. So let's go ahead and just do a quick example. I'm not going to spend a lot of time with the widgets, but I'll just do a test here. This is a blog. I'll just title it blog page widget. This is the blog page widget test. So I just took a simple text widget and put it into the blog page primary widget section, just to give you an example of what's going to show up. So when I refresh this page, we should see that text widget that I just put in there, and there it is, blog page widget. So we can go ahead now and create a completely different right hand sidebar for our blog page than what's on the rest of the site. And if I go back to the home page of this, so you can see back on the home page that the original right hand sidebar is still there, and this is on every page of the site except for the blog page where we created our custom sidebar. So you could literally create a custom sidebar for every page of the site if you want to. Let's do one more example and show you how to create a custom sidebar for your shopping cart. So if I go to the shopping cart page right now, you'll see that it has this primary right hand sidebar. Let's say I want something different, something custom for my cart page, so I can display different widgets here. We're going to set that up the same way we did for the blog custom sidebar. So we're going to go into WooStore and Sidebar Manager, and then we're going to click on Cart, and we're just going to go ahead and click Add Sidebar. And this should now create that cart custom sidebar widget section. So there we go. So now we have a blog page custom sidebar section, and we have a cart page custom sidebar section. So if I go into widgets, you'll see that we now have a blog page sidebar widget section, a cart page sidebar widget section, and we still have our primary widget section. So this cart page widget section is going to now display only on the shopping cart page. So again, let's just do a test here. We'll just do a text widget. We'll say shopping shopping cart widget. This is a test widget. So now if I go back out to the site and I'm in the shopping cart and I refresh the page, we should see that shopping cart widget. There we go. So this is a whole new sidebar that you can create specifically for the shopping cart section of your site. And you can create as many custom sidebars as you want for as many of the pages on your site as you'd like. So one more example, you could even create custom sidebars for product categories. So if we went to the Team Brazil product category page, we could have an entirely different custom sidebar that showed, maybe it showed other Brazil related soccer or Brazil soccer related products or whatever we wanted to show. But the point is, you can optimize every page of the site if you wanted to using the Sidebar Manager and creating custom sidebar widget sections. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Hopefully this was helpful. For more WooCommerce specific tutorials, check out uploadwp.com. My name is Adam, and we'll see you in the next video.